Hi everyone, welcome to the 11th day of the vlog, and I have really thankful to all the subscribers, and thank you so much for watching all the videos. And today we are going to the place, we are going to the multiple dhobis, that is a unit that is there a little bit close to our house, where you can actually wash the clothes. So let's go. So this is what is the laundry place. Can you see? And this is what is the place. You get many washing machines. Can you see? So nice, super job. It's like you don't have to worry so much. You have to just so let me try. And here it says if you want for the 60 minutes wash, it's a standard wash, and then 40 minutes it's a little less, and 30 minutes, and then 60 minutes for the warm water and standard. So it has a specific rates: 140 baht, 130 baht, and then 110 baht and 150 baht. So today we are trying this, so please watch. So I am trying to understand where I can put the money, okay? But here you have only coin. I can only put coin here, and then where can I put the coin? Things are a little complicated, I think. So here it is specified that please don't put these shoes, toys, and something flammable products, or the pets and the food trucks. You are not supposed to put. Okay, only you have to put specific clothes. Instructions is clear here. So select the program, press the no softener button if softener is not required. Okay. So softener, usually for the washing of the clothes, we put like the softeners to soft the cloth material. So here no softener button. I don't know. Okay, I'm just searching for this. I'm searching where. Yes, we got it. Somewhere I can see here. Can you see? This is the convert my 100 rupee note into coins. So let's try. Let me place my 100 rupees. Please give me 10 coins, sir. Oops, took away. I got 10 coins. Very big size. I think I forgot more. closing it. The instructions are given here. Start closing. Then yeah, I closed it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. Okay. I have 11. That is 110 baht. You take it off. I'm gonna put here. I'm just putting inside.
กรุณากดปุ่มเลือกโปรแกรมการซักก่อนหยอดเหรียญ
Madam is telling something. What's that? Okay, I have to press. Press. Oh, it is asking me to. It is indicating me to press. Press. 1. One, 2. It's taking the coins. 3, 4, 5, 5. Oops. Whoa. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, I have already put 100 baht because I counted 110 baht, isn't it? So now it is telling me 100. That means I have put already 10 coins. 10 into 10, 100. So now I'll put one more coin, the last coin. It's not taking.
เริ่มต้นการทำงาน
It's telling
กรุณาใส่ผ้ารองแล้วเครื่องจะล็อกโดยอัตโนมัติหากหยอดเหรียญเพิ่มระหว่างที่เครื่องทำงานจะสามารถเพิ่มเวลาในการตัดผ้าแห้งได้
started working. Me sitting like this, waiting for the clothes. I remember Mr. Bean episode where Mr. Bean also sits and waits in the washing machine unit, and that I think you all must watch that episode. It is like so funny. It's very nice actually. So our clothes are just getting washed. Yeah. Look at this place. So still lot of time is there, so let us go and come after half an hour. All of a sudden I am feeling light. Let's wait, we'll go after half an hour. Oh, once again, I have to take the clothes from the washing machine, and I think so I am not finding my phone's cover. So I have a doubt whether I have mixed the phone cover in the clothes which went inside the washing machine, because usually when I take the vlogs, I remove the phone cover and fix it to the joystick. I really don't know, but let's see. And let's go. It's already 25 minutes now, so let's go. Dry, it's a little bit of the another 10% it has to be dried, and it's like good, but I could not find out my mobile cover. So let's go back home. Let's say a big thanks to the unit, Maru Laundry Service. This is, and clothes are really looking very clean and tidy, and it's almost dry. And thank God I did not found my mobile cover in the clothes, so that means it is there in the house. So we say kapun kha to the Maru Laundry, and let's get back home. So finally I got this basin flour, and clothes nicely washed in the Maru Laundry. Oof. And luckily I did not find the mobile cover, so probably it is there in the house. See you in the next vlog. Keep smiling, all of you. Thank you. Friends, can you see that? Don't you think the doll is so peacefully in the garden? Wow.